The Supreme Court will hear a PIL today filed for stay of release of feature film Santa Banta Private Limited. The PIL seeks framing of the guidelines to curb the menace of the social, racial, religious, ethnic remarks, abuses, comments, jokes, etc., including the Sikh jokes. The petitioner Harvinder Chaudhary wants to implement the said guidelines through their law enforcing agencies. The Apex Court will hear a PIL today concerning labour welfare. The PIL urges the central government to implement Building and the Other Construction Workers Regulation of Employment and Conditions of Services Act 1996 and the Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Cess Act 1996. The Apex Court will hear a PIL today against the direction of culling stray dogs in Kerala and seeking protection of children from stray dogs. The Supreme Court has directed all states to sterilize and vaccinate stray dogs under supervision of Animal Welfare Board of India using provisions of the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act for controlling its population and rabies. The Supreme Court will hear a petition today filed against the Uttarakhand High Court's order quashing President's rule in the state. During the earlier hearing, the Union of India agreed for the floor test and thereafter the presidential rule was withdrawn. But the question of law with regard to the impugned judgment remained, therefore bench directed the matter to be listed on July 12 for hearing the petition filed by the Union of India challenging the High Court order. The Bombay High Court will hear a petition today from actress Juhi Chawla. She has challenged installation of illegal cell phone towers. Today, the petition, which seeks guidelines to be framed for heights of reconstructed buildings falling in heritage precincts, will be taken up by the Bombay High Court. The Bombay High Court will hear a petition today by Ketan Tirodkar against the issue of the demolition of dilapidated buildings in the local area. The petition pointed out that there are causes of loss of lives due to collapse of such dilapidated buildings. The Bombay High Court will hear a petition today filed by Datta Mane about road safety and poor condition of buses run by Maharashtra State Transport Department within the state. The Bombay High Court's Nagpur bench today will hear writer Arundhati Roy's appeal against criminal contempt notice issued against her for her article in a weekly magazine questioning the continued incarceration of Delhi University professor G.N. Sai Baba. Muzaffarpur's CJM court will hear a petition today from Muzaffarpur's resident Mohammad Sabir Ansari, also known as Sabir Baba. Ansari has filed a petition complaining that he has not been paid royalty for the film Sultan, as the film has been inspired from his life. He has alleged in the petition that director of the film A. Abbas in 2010 had promised him to pay the royalty of Rs 20 crores, but he has not been paid the royalty yet. He has accused Salman Khan, Anushka Sharma and A. Abbas.